So, the drill bit broke. This is how you get rid of it, without swearing too much. Unscrew all the bits you've screwed in before. It hasn't gone all the way through, so that's a bit annoying. Right. Try and keep that the right way up. Now, normally I would poke something through and get it out, but I actually don't have anything, so I'm going to attempt to shove a screw in it and screw that in. See what happens. Right, now get a mallet. That didn't work. Pliers. This is what it looks like at the moment. I've checked all of it, it's all square and it's all nice and fine. You'll notice that some screws are out, some are countersunk, some aren't. I'm going to be countersinking them all anyway and then covering it and either spray painting it or painting it anyway. So you won't see any of that. I'm only putting it together like this for now just to see if it all goes together and sort of work out bits and pieces. Now I'm going to put all the poles in, and then I'm going to work on the platform. Okay, so there it is with the poles in. Obviously these aren't connected to anything at the moment. The motors will come in this side where the hole's bigger, and they will go through here. I've got some things to connect to hold them in place. But now I've got to decide how I'm making the platform. I'm going to initially make the platform with this piece of wood, and it's going to have different bits that can screw to it. So different pieces like this are going to be wood and a piece of PCB board and various other things, just to make it so that when it's being the CNC machine, it can be on a thicker piece of wood. So any damage goes to the thicker piece of wood. When it's having a laser, there'll be some refractive stuff, and so on. So now I've got to work out how I'm going to do this. I want it obviously above here. you'll always see me feeling the ends of pieces of wood. And what I do is I get them into there so that I can't feel that there's a gap, and then I check the other side, and if I can't feel there's a gap, then I know they're exact. The human finger can feel 17 nanometers small, so that's incredible because we can't actually see that small. Anyway, I'm wondering if two pieces like this, if we say, how high is it off the floor? I think if I knock these holes, these poles out, plop that up against the holes, mark it, then I can drill both out. I think that's what I'll do. That way I can then put the linear bearings in, so it can move easily, and then this will basically be on top of this, but it will be obviously lower. Let's try it. Now we need it at least maybe a centimetre up, so let's do that. Right. Now if I have that up there so I can see it all the way along. Making sure that it's equal all the way along. That'll do. Now I need a pencil. Right, there we go. So these are going to be the holes with the linear bearings in, and then this one's going to be the one with the central spoke in. Now I think I'm going to have to move them up a centimetre, but I'm going to have to see. Yeah. Okay, so I've moved up the holes, and they're going to be here, here and here. The original place was here, but it still should lift it off enough so that it can still got clearance. Right. $14.95 these linear bearings are. So say 15. Did we say 15? Absolutely beautiful. Okay, and then what was the middle one? It's one of those, isn't it? The middle one is one of these. So I need to take this off here